3 days before Christmas, usually bus terminals would be packed with travelers heading home for the holidays. Will the pandemic change the scenario? Our Rex Remitio joining us live from Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange. Rex, what are the requirements that travelers need to bring when they move around?
Well, it depends on the city or town where you're heading to. Different local governments have different requirements. Some LGUs are requiring a travel authority from the National Police, a negative swab test result, a medical certificate, and a valid ID. Terminal officials are saying it's better for you, if you're going to provinces, to prepare these documents as soon as possible. And they're also saying that it's better to do it before going to the terminal to ensure a smooth ride. Although now we're still seeing a few passengers, although some lines are getting longer slightly than it was an hour before, but terminal officials are expecting more people to go here by the hour. Most trips here are bound for southern Luzon areas, cities of Batangas and Lipa in the province of Batangas, Dasmariñas and Trece Martires in Cavite and Baguio City. Now, some are asking, is it safe to go to the provinces this holiday season? Authorities are discouraging holiday travel due to the pandemic. Officials, however, are still expecting some will take the risk. They're seeing 70,000 travelers daily at PITX in the coming days. This is not the usual pre-pandemic crowd in major bus terminals, but still considerably high since mass gatherings are not allowed for now. That's why they're strictly enforcing health protocols in the terminal. You always have to wear face masks and full face shields. You have to distance yourself by a meter from other passengers. You have to maintain a seat apart from others inside the bus. But it remains to be seen whether all passengers are following these minimum health standards. But for authorities, they're saying it's better for you to stay at home for now. Back to you.
Well, Rex, it looks quite orderly there behind you. I don't think, as you mentioned, we don't quite have the volume of traffic that we usually have, though. Are there new protocols in place, given that the numbers are seen to have a somewhat of a rising trend?
Well, they're sticking to what the health department has been prescribing different terminals in the country so far. And they're also always monitoring bus companies to enforce these protocols. Those who will not be able to follow these guidelines will be met with penalties. Paolo.
Thank you for that report. That was Rex Remitio reporting live from Parañaque City.